In this part, we will also pass the job title and also the profile image to the cart component. But instead of finding some JPEG from the internet, we are going to use some helper, the figure.js. In here, you can find the first name and also the last name from the name. And in the README file, it already said that if you want to use the name, you can use figure.name.firstname. So back to our project, and we are going to install the figure.js by using npm install figure --save. After we install the figure.js, we are going to import the figure from the figure. And now we are going to pass the name by using figure.name.firstname. But we also want to pass the last name, so we use the template literal. And also we want to pass the job title. Now, as you can see in here, there's also have a name and also the title in the JSON object. So now we need to go to the cart component. We delete the text and pass the pops.title. Now you can see it already get the generated job title here. Now we also need to pass the avatar, and in the figure.js there is a avatar, so we pass the avatar equal to figure.image.avatar. Again, you see there is a image link from the avatar. Now we back to the cart.js, and we can delete this image and use the pops.avatar. Now it get the profile image, job title, and also the first name and last name. So now we go to the app.js and we delete the other two empty card, and we duplicate the first card twice. And let's see the result. Now we get all the 3 cards with image, title, and also the name.